So welcome to the top 3 streaming applications for the month of December. Now, as you guys know, I cover lots of these free applications. I mean, there's just so much new content out there. This way, once a month, I can do a quick roundup summarizing the best applications over the last few weeks. Now, none of these applications require any registration. Just install them onto your device and you can start enjoying all of this great free content. So please do take a moment to hit that like button, make sure you hit that subscribe button. So with all of that being said, let's get started. If you're new to the channel and you want to stay up to date with the latest tech tutorials, the latest Firestick, Android and Android TV tips and tricks, then please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. It's a small click from you, but it makes a big difference to me. Thank you. Now, before we start the video, let me just say that I've now created my second channel, the Tech Doctor UK Extra channel, and this will be the place where you'll find those supplementary videos, those add-on videos, bonus content, those live streams. I've already posted my first video, and it'd be great if you guys from this channel can join me over there. So do have a look out for this channel in the pinned comment. Now, the first application in today's list is Cloud TV. Now, great application, no registration, no VPN. Install the application on your device, click on watch free now, and here we are, guys. We are now straight into the application. We can see all of the channels across the top. So this must be the One American News Network. We have other channels here, and we can see that small preview in the background. And let's say, for example, I want to watch this Court TV. Click on that, and in a couple of seconds, we are straight into that picture, and that really is a fantastic HD picture. Now, when you're inside a channel, you can also press up on the remote, and this will automatically navigate to the next channel. So just giving you more of that cable TV-like experience, you can press up and down on the remote, and that will then automatically navigate to the next channel. And if you want to go back to the channel list, just press select on the remote, and we're back here again. So lots of different channels in here. They've got some drama channels, some news channels. They also have some sports channels. I did see the BN Sports in here. Let's try this one, just to show you that the stuff is working. And here we can see we have some live football, or soccer as my American friends say. Let's press select on the remote again. So we have some shopping channels, history channels, documentary channels. So about 80 or so channels that you can enjoy without any registration, no adverts, no pop-ups, no mouse toggle, and no VPN. Next up, we have Redbox. Now, if you really are looking for some current, up-to-date, modern content, this application really has it all. Now, we're talking on-demand content, movies, and even live TV. Now, the application has a really nice, clean interface. We have lots of content in here. The application is designed for the USA audience, so make sure you are watching from the USA or with a USA IP address. Here we can see they have a very large library of free video on demand content. So we can see the free movie spotlight. We have leaving free soon. So as new content gets added, they remove some of the older stuff. Here we can see the brand new section. So here's some of the stuff that's been added recently. And of course, anything you want to watch, just for a test, if I click on this thing over here, we can see this application is ad supported. I can click on watch free with ads, give that a second, and within a couple of seconds, we are now straight into that content. Now, this is one of the great things about these official streaming applications is because they're official, you don't have to worry about any kind of buffering or any kind of lag, because these applications are backed by official companies and they easily have the network bandwidth required to handle all of the users. So you really can enjoy all of this content buffer free. Let's back out of that. So we can see some popular movies. We have a large horror section, action movies, and lots of great stuff in here. Thrillers, comedy, crime. And we can see as I scroll to the right, there's more content there as well. Then we have the free live TV. Now, I was honestly just so impressed at the quality of the EPG and also the channel lineup, because you can see they have content for pretty much all of the different categories. So we have news, we have sports, we have entertainment, we have food and design, travel, and lots of different channels in here, guys. I mean, my last video unfortunately was demonetized, so I'm not going to click on anything just in case. But we can see, guys, across the channels or across the categories, they do have many channels, and you can actually see a small preview window at the back as well. So as soon as you go into a category, it plays one of the channels from that category and it starts playing straight away. And lastly, and by no means least, we have the CW. Now, this has some great TV shows, has different movies, lots of different on-demand content. You recognize there's lots of current or modern shows in here. And if any of you guys are still here with me, then if you drop a like on this video and leave the comment hashtag tduk, then I know you made it this far in the video, which I always appreciate. I'll then heart your comment. And let's say, for example, you want to watch Rush Hour. Let's click on that. And we can see, guys, it's not just like one episode per show or per series. We can see they have lots and lots of shows. Pretty much, you know, the whole season is covered here. And for a quick test, if I want to watch this thing over here, click on that. And we are straight into that content. And that's working absolutely fine. Okay, let's back out of that. Here we can see some of the other popular shows like Roswell, The Walker, lots of different things. I mean, for a completely free application, which doesn't need any registration, no login, no mouse toggle, it does have some fantastic content. Okay, so to get any of these applications or all of them onto your Firestick, onto your Nvidia Shield, or really any Android device, just navigate over to my website, which is just tdoctoruk.com, or you can use the shortcode 53402, go to the tutorial section, and the latest tutorial in the list will be the top 3 streaming applications for the month of December. So here we can see the first one in the list is Cloud TV, then we have Redbox, again some info, and then finally the CW. Scroll down, and underneath all of that you'll see a bunch of links. So here we can see Cloud TV for your Firestick and your Android TV devices, but if you do want to try this on a cell phone or a tablet, go for this one here. Here is the one link for Redbox, and then lastly we have 2 links, one for the CW, again for your Fire TVs and Android TV devices, and lastly the CW for your phones and tablets. So let's say, for example, you want to install Cloud TV for your Firestick. Let's click on the first link, and in every case you're looking for this green download button. Click on that, and this will download the application directly onto your device, which you can then install and go ahead and enjoy all of that free content. So that's all for this video, guys. Many thanks for watching. Do leave me a comment below and let me know if you have any other applications, any other official legal applications, and I'll be sure to check them out for the next video. So really appreciate your support. Make sure you have subscribed to my second channel with all notifications. I will be publishing a new video probably tomorrow. So do like and share this video, and I'll hopefully catch up with you guys real soon. Thanks.